Shoton, or the 𝗙𝗘𝗦𝗢𝗧𝗢𝗡 festival, is one of the most celebrated Tibetan festivals in Tibet. The Tibetans continue to celebrate even in exile. It is a celebration performed originally for monks returning from their retreat journey. For the past 27 years, the celebration has traveled to many parts of India, and the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts, or TIPA as we know, has been instrumental in hosting Shoton. This year, TIPA is hosting Shoton from May 7th till the 19th in Dharamsala, with 14 troops performing from different parts of India, Nepal and the United States.
And I'm from Tibetan Home School, Mussoorie, and today we are here to play Suginima. Shoton is not something new. It has been celebrated since His Holiness the 5th Dalai Lama, and Sho means 𝗙𝗘𝗦𝗢𝗧𝗢𝗡 and Twin means festival. So basically it's a 𝗙𝗘𝗦 festival, and it is mostly practiced in July. Approximately since class 6, I have been actively participating in 𝗙𝗦𝗢𝗢𝗧𝗢𝗡 of our school, and this year is my 6th. I don't take this as a challenge. I take this as a responsibility towards my own country.